It's a hell of a view, Nikolai.
Was the capital before Moscow?
The good old days.
I got two on the door.
More alcohol inside.
People about fortune.
Good spot. Parking here sucks.
There's the butcher in the yellow shirt.
Bastard from the embassy.
No gas.
No idea.
Easy shot.
Tempting.
Oh, how fast? The butcher gets us to Hadia.
Or the gas attack goes off.
Well, if that happens, then we're all fucked. Let's gear up. Get evil. Clock's ticking.
This way.
What's the time frame?
Hours or less. You get the gear?
Best I could do on a short notice. Suppressors, ammo, no flashbangs.
Nice job, Nick. 40 cal hollow points.
150 grain. Your favorite.
Conceal it for now.
Rally at the warehouse.
Rog, bring the package.
On my way, Captain.
Oh no, you want another shot at the butcher?
No grave deep enough for that sick bastard, sir.
You'll have your chance. All right, but right now, we need the butcher alive.
Привет.
Привет.
Доброе утро.
That's not bad.
That's all I got.
We sweep the guards up so they can't alert the others, then move in on the rear door.
Rog.
Guns on my signal, not before. Easy, easy, mate. We've got permits, right? Sure. Now. Nikolai, trash in the alley.
I brought back.
You think of everything. Check your shots. Butcher gets us to Hadia. We need him breathing until he does.
This is retaliation. Today, the pain and suffering is not ours, but theirs. We give special
There he
thanks
is.
to our
Affirm.
new soldier.
Yellow behind the
Strong
table.
will.
Butcher is running!
Clear! All clear! Get after him!
Don't let them follow! Kill them!
Door! Behind the bar!
26!
That's cool.
Don't let him get away!
Down! Street doors open! Fucking hell!
Nikolai, target is moving south. Stand by for extra.
Copy. I'm tracking you.
How?
The gunshot.
Got down him. I'll circle around for intercept.
Roger!
I'll take your head, motherfucker. You hear me? They die because of you.
Sergeant!
I'm good, sir! Target's on the move! Riverside!
Get after him or we'll lose him. Contact! Vehicle! Left side! They got an RPG! Take it out!
RPG's down!
There! Butcher's running for it! Get him! Step it up! He's close! He's running! Stay on him! There! Just beyond the fence! Nick, he's cutting through the cafe, Riverside. South, where are you?
Inbound, Captain.
Watch for reinforcements.
Where the hell are they coming from?
Molotov, heads up!
You getting away?
I'll find a way through. He's headed for the river. Nikolai!
We got him.
It's hard to run with concussion, no?
That's only a scratch. Get the fucking back.
Who are you? So my men can send your head home to your families.
Fuck off, shit pouch.
Small problem.
What?
Engine is a little bit cranky.
Police are here!
Where are the chemicals? Up your fucking Russian ass. You can't hurt me, you weak piece of shit. But you, Captain, oh, you can do better than that. You think I forgot your face, SAS? Huh? Or you, Sergeant?
Get your head in the game,
Frank.
Sergeant.
We need to break this bastard, Captain.
We're about to. Nikolai, where's the package?
Pulling in now, Captain.
Okay. You go to Nikolai. You get a package. You come back here. Right?
Sergeant Garrick, package is in the back.
What is it?
Please,
Bargaining
please let us
chips.
go. We know nothing.
For negotiation. Perhaps the butcher will have a change of heart.
Mama, what's happening? Please, just don't hurt my son. We'll do what you say. Scared, Mama. Don't be afraid, huh? Your mama's brave, boy. Where are we going, Mama? We are going to talk to some men, and then we will go home, okay? What you're doing is unforgivable. We are innocent people. I demand to know why we are here.
Kyle, you don't have to do this. You in or out?
I'm in, sir.
Good. Hand them off to you.
No, please.
Usa. Amun. Careful with them, you son of a bitch!
You want the gloves off? They're off.
What did you do? Your own son is here, your own child.
Oh, he's got no problems with hurting children, isn't that right, Sergeant?
None.
Shut up.
What have you done? You promised you'd keep this away from us.
Captain, I can't do
You're
this.
excused. Pick it up, Sergeant.
What are you going to do to us?
Hey, no. Hey, stop! Hey, look at me! Stop! They have nothing to do with this!
You tell them.
What the hell?
You pulled the hammer, Sergeant, not me. Now, rest assured, I wouldn't let the Sergeant brandish a loaded weapon indoors, unless he had to. Now, last chance, where's the gas?
Hey, no, leave him! Listen to me! Karinka Theater. No, I am not, I swear to you, I'm not. The gas is there, Karinka Theater, I swear to you.
Where's Hadia?
The young blood? Yeah, you're too late to stop him. Go, Sergeant. Save some fucking Russians. General Burkov already be dead.
Dear, he's going after Barkov. We're done with him. You take a minute. John the West. Guys, is it